Hello everyone, in today's video recipe we're making a cake without milk and eggs, which is our favorite vegan cake. We will need 400 milliliters of warm water, 13 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and stir until the sugar starts to dissolve. Add 3 tablespoons of any type of jam, 5 tablespoons of ground or blended hazelnuts, 100 grams of vegan ground biscuits, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 4 tablespoons of oil, and mix everything together. While doing this, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. To this mixture, add 13 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Mix gently and add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. The batter is now ready. Grease a baking tray measuring 30 by 20 to 33 by 23 centimeters with some oil. Spread a bit of flour and shake it around the pan. Remove the excess flour. Pour the batter into the tray. Spread it evenly and put it in the oven to bake. For the filling, you need 125 grams of softened margarine. Add 100 grams of powdered sugar to it. Now beat everything together. Add 200 grams of vegan biscuits and mix again. Although the mixture is quite dry, don't worry. Add 100 grams of roasted hazelnuts, either ground or blended, 100 grams of dark vegan chocolate, grated or blended, and then add 200 milliliters of orange juice. Mix everything together again. The filling is now ready. Bake the cake for 20 minutes and then let it cool. Now we can add the filling. Spread the entire filling over the cake. Break 100 grams of cocoa chocolate, add 2 tablespoons of oil, and melt it slowly in the microwave. Pour the melted chocolate over the cake. When this part is finished, gently shake the cake to let the glaze settle nicely. That's it. Let the cake sit until the glaze and filling set. Then serve.